In this video, I'll show you how you can show your coordinates in Minecraft on Java and Bedrock Edition. Now, if you're on the Java edition, what you want to do is simply press F3. And as you can see, I can now see my coordinates right here, X, Y, and Z. Now, when I move, you can see it's going to change. And that's how it works on Java edition. Now, if F3 button doesn't work, sometimes you might have to hold down either Control, FN, Command, or Alt button and then press F3. But for most people, it will work just simply pressing F3. Now, if you're on another edition, let's say you're on the Bedrock, what you want to do is you want to head into your options. And from in there should be something called game options. And in game options, you want to scroll down until you find the show coordinates button. Then enable that one, and then your coordinates will be shown. So that's basically how it works on both versions. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.